Hello, my beautiful Sharynzoo crew family. It is Friday. I had someone ask me about Yossie. Yossie's right here, and he's doing really well. Yes, he's doing really well. Right, baby? Yes. Yossie has that virus that, the bird virus, that the avian borna virus that took my other birds, but he's on medication and he's doing very well. Right? Yes, yes. Right? Yes, yes. Sweet baby boy. So you saw Rocker. Yes, don't bite me. You saw Rocker yesterday, and now we got Yossie. Yay! Hi, baby boy. Hi, I know you want me to pet you. I know you want me to pet you. Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite. Anyway, we hope you have an awesome Friday. We hope you have great plans for the weekend. We love you, love you, love you. And we will see you really soon. Right, yes? Right, you want to step up? You want to step up? Yeah? Now go down. Just step up. Go down. Step up. Baby boy. All right, guys. We will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye. Whoop. Bye. Yossie.